super long battery life, premium finish, Hyper OS. All of this makes this Redmi Watch 4 stand out from its crowd. In this video, let's check out everything about it. Two colors with the white and the black one. As you can see, they are totally the same, just with the different colors, different pictures on the front. So let's just unbox it. Okay, here are some highlights at the back. The 1.97-inch AMOLED screen, metallic middle frame, super long battery life, quick release strap, Bluetooth core, and all-day sports health. Some information here. Let's just unbox it. Wow. Woo. So that's the watch, totally brand new. Let's just put aside, we'll take a look at later. We have the charging cable, Redmi Watch manual, and that's basically everything. Move to the Redmi Watch 4. Ooh. Wow, so it's well wrapped. Take this film protector off. Ooh, that's the watch, the white one. Wow. Let's compare to the black one, alright? Which one do you like better? To be honest, I prefer the white one because it looks more like clean, more fashion, gives you like a better taste, you know? And basically, that's it. Alright, I have just reset the watch. So in the first page, it lets you choose different languages. So let's choose English and download the Mi Fitness app. Alright, let's just scan so that confirm and pairing. Just wait for a few seconds. Alright, so this is the watch face, and press and hold it, and you can switch to different all kinds of watch faces. They have like more than 200 watch faces there, and you can also choose on the in the app, right? I would choose this one because this one looks more direct. Right? Alright, now let me just walk you through the gestures. Swipe down, you see the notifications. Swipe up, you see the control center. Here you can turn on the DND, SOS mode. Okay, so this is the torch mode. Oh, the bezel seems a little bit too big, right? But that's it. Okay, you can also see the settings here, watch face display. Some of you ask it like, okay, my wife just sent me a message. He said, are you still shooting the fucking videos? Yes, I am still. Okay, let me just see if I can reply it on the watch. Okay, click in. Okay, cannot. Okay, right now one is like dismiss and the other is open on phone. So, open on phone. I will choose open on phone. Okay, you see, it's all open on phone. We can set the auto brightness here, customize. Let's change it to the highest one. Okay, this is the highest one. I don't want to use the auto one. Raise to wake, schedule, screen on. Screen on, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Cover to sleep. Click to light screen, always on display. So it has always on display, alright. Sound vibration, DND notifications, auto detect, layout, battery. Everything is here. Okay, alright. As you can see, swipe right, you exit the previous page. Alright, and now let's swipe left. You see different widgets, and you can customize this in the app, which I just showed you. Calls, blah blah, heart rate, SpO2, and breathing, exercise load, and even supports music playing. Okay, and that's it. And here, as you can see, there is a crown here, and you press, you can enter this app list interface, all kinds of. And if you don't know like which is which are these four, you can choose another layout which displays its name. Alright. Also found that if you like rotate the crown, you can feel the vibration, which is good, right? Now let me just go through the designs for you. So as you can see, it adopts this metallic middle frame which was one of the highlights for this Redmi Watch 4. So the overall looks like really premium. This is the best well-polished watch from Redmi. Heart rate sensors, charging contacts, and here the quick release button. Oh, this is like the easiest I've ever reviewed, I've ever seen. Okay. All right, and you can change to different colors, different color straps. And to be honest, the white one maybe is more vibrant and better, And what else? We have the mic here, with the speaker because it supports Bluetooth call. And that's the strap. So let me just wear it. You first press this, and then you let it go through those two coils. You have to install the bump first, and this is really tight now and pretty awesome. Lightweight, premium feels really good. Let me just wear a little bit. Regarding the sports mode, you might want to know like outdoor running, walking, freestyle hiking, outdoor treadmill, rope jumping, for more. It doesn't say like how many sports modes it supports, but it seems like a lot, right? Must be 100 plus. But do you guys really exercise that often? The reason I don't want to. So as you can see, the sports the GPS. So you can just run without your phone, and you can still have that cool route, which is cool, right? So let's just start here, and here you go. And see, it's still connecting. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Okay, let's just end. So you have to press and hold to end. Alright. And let's just measure the heart rate. It supports all day heart rate monitoring. 74 BPM. Just now, 84. Okay. I also want to test the SpO2. So no data for today. Let's just start. Okay, 98% should be really normal, right? Got it. Got it. What else? One thing. Okay, this was. How are you? Ooh. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Ooh. It understands English, right? What's your name? But the answer is in Chinese, so guys, learn some Chinese, alright? So that's basically what's inside. But one thing I have to point out is the smart hub function, because it features the HyperOS and it can connect many Xiaomi devices, and you can just control through your watch instead of go through your phone. When you connect with your phone, like when you take an Uber, you will just then sync the information to your watch, so you can see the distance, the license plate there. So it's quite convenient. Or when you order takeaway, it shows you the information as well, like the distance, how long it's gonna take. Also, you can directly control your earbuds status, like you can choose the denoise, transparent, etc., just directly on your watch. And the best part is the TV control. We always forget about where the hell is the remote control, right? But with this now, you can always switch different programs, adjust volume, etc., and of course, Xiaomi AI speaker, and you can adjust the volume and the brightness, remotely. Just forget about the phone. So it's all about the ecosystem, integration. So to summarize, my first impression is it's really solid, good looking smartwatch. And if you are in the market for such a budget smartwatch, looking for a smartwatch that has super long battery life, premium finish, and also that seamless connection with other Xiaomi devices, then this is definitely the one to go. So currently the price for the Redmi Watch 4 is like under $70 US, which is quite budget friendly, and I'm just surprised that they can offer so many features. So definitely this is the one to go if you want one.